hard.
Yeah, because sometimes we're not answering the question properly.
Yeah, we could have an argument about this.
We have some surprising IELTS candidates for you today. They are a little bit older than usual candidates.
That wasn't many questions.
Would you like some more questions?
Yeah, I like this game.
They are my grandparents, who I asked these questions to just for fun to see if they could answer the newest IELTS questions. So if you'd like to see their answers or just know what the new questions are,
We know that.
if you have your IELTS exam soon, stick around. Best of luck to you.
I hated you for
4 years. What happened in the 5th year then?
Let's talk about patience then.
Oh, she'll have a lot to say about this.
Do you think people have to have patience?
They must.
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 Why?
It's a must. Because impatience turns to rage. And then the foul language starts.
What, you mean the F word?
So are you talking from experience here, Ken?
Experience.
Yeah,
Yes.
definitely.
Yes.
This is good, isn't it?
Is patience a good
Yes.
characteristic?
In the right
Yes.
context,
It
yes.
is. It's a good.
So you're
Yeah.
saying it's always good, but you say no, it's not always good.
I'm saying it depends what situation you're in,
Yeah?
doesn't it?
Why?
Because you can lose your patience, can you?
But it's not whether you lose it, but is it a good thing to have patience?
Oh, yes, I think so, yes.
I think
Definitely.
Always.
Definitely.
So. Yes.
Do you think
Yeah.
some people could be too patient?
No, but then you've got to be kind.
You've got to bite your tongue sometimes.
Yes.
And count to
And
10.
kindness would help a lot to one another.
So compared to the past, do you think people nowadays are less patient?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Why? What? Give us some examples.
That thing. The television, for one.
And
Yeah.
people don't tolerate.
Mm.
A lot of people don't tolerate elderly patients.
No.
And also because when we were young, back in the day, us didn't have so much stuff coming at us like they do today. You know, like the television, the internet, and TikTok, and all this rubbish, and their list is continually bombarding their brains. We never had that.
Yeah.
We never had it, did we?
No.
We had
Wireless.
the wireless.
Yeah.
They won't know what a wireless is.
What is a wireless?
A wireless is another form of entertainment.
Television without the picture.
Well, yes. Yeah,
The radio.
And also, it gives you imagination listening.
Like Dick Barton.
Dick Barton, special agent. Wow. They would walk down tunnels and your mind used to get carried away with it. Yeah.
Okay, so talking about pace of life now.
Yeah.
Do you have a fast pace of life or a slow pace of life
Very
nowadays?
slow.
Well, if you're let, you're not. Well, we are bombarded by the television. We only had newspapers to read, and you can get information all over the world in a few minutes. Whereas back then, us didn't know what was going on, did we?
I didn't know what a pomegranate was till I was about 10.
Pomegranate. Yeah, because the import they couldn't import it then so fast. Yeah. It took a long time for ships to get to our country to give you bananas and pineapples and all that stuff. But now it's over on an airplane in a few hours.
Okay.
Isn't it?
Mine is very slow.
That's because of ill health, isn't it?
Yeah.
I don't think it would be that slow if you were still fit. You'd be out and about and you'd be charging around like you did when you were younger. We try and make it a slow pace of life if we're not bombarded, like I said before. with the television and the internet. But you haven't got the internet, so you haven't got that much to irritate you, have you?
No.
I like this game. It's better than all your old games.
So why do some people prefer a slower pace of life?
Because I get irritated because I can't do more. I'd like to be able to do my own housework, to walk over the other end.
Yeah, that's because of your situation.
Yeah.
Nobody's questioned.
Well, he's saying why a slower pace of life.
But yeah, that's why you have a slower pace of life.
Because.
Yeah, but that's why you have it. But people down here, they choose this pace of life.
Yes.
You know, why is it that some people like a slow pace of life?
I don't know. It's holiday makers.
I was just going to say that. No, not only holiday makers, but older people. They want to get away from the cities, and they like the idea of living down here in a slow pace of life in the country, little rose cottage. They got all that in their heads, and that's why they come down here, and they're hated.
Do you hate the tourists that come down here?
The grockles.
So yeah, in Devon, people call tourists grockles. It's not a normal thing in all the rest of the world. Just in Devon, just so you know.
It's not a derogatory name, is it? Because in Cornwall they call them emmets.
Yeah.
Right, and
they buy up the properties to let out for summer.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
And the properties in Appledore now,
youngsters can't afford.
People can't afford them.
No.
Yeah.
They've just gone sky high.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're wishing you the best of luck and success. If you found this video useful, please do click the like and subscribe button. And if you want some more questions that are still being used in exams now, have a look at this next video up here to give you even more ideas and good phrases. See you soon. Bye.